Mother Nature has a crafty and cunning ways to fool us mortals. As humans, we are often reminded of nature's special ways through our everyday lives, like things we do, the people we meet, and the senses we feel all around us. One prominent way nature tricks us is through sensory. We are creatures that are easily fooled by our senses. There are differences between the genders of male and female. The sight of her delights him, and his scent readies her for love.
Oh yeah.
Human sweat, or the more fancy term, perspiration, has chemical composition that varies between individuals and depend on the food they consume and such. However, all human sweat or perspiration contain one hormone also known as pheromones. Pheromones are bodily scents that are odorless. These hormones can affect our behavior, feelings about the other person, and even the physiological aspect of their body. In this case, the pheromones have increased the mood and reproductive hormones. The more you know fact. In the 2003 issue of the journal Biology of Reproduction, new fertility therapy consists of trying to isolate the active ingredient in perspiration. The research done has suggested that male pheromones can play a role in controlling the length and timing of a menstrual cycle. As males are aroused by sight, when an attractive female passes by, their pleasure senses usually lights up. That's why sex tapes up majority of the brain in this scientifically accurate presentation of the male's brain.
Wow!
More you know fact. Majority of males in a survey said that they chose women with a waist circumference about 70% of her hips, also known as an hourglass figure. Ooh. With that fact, it is evident that companies, especially luxury brands, often Photoshop models by airbrushing faces and creating unrealistic body types. With the increase in media consumption, this has led to an increased body dissatisfaction. As revealed by the Dove Self-Esteem Fund, 71% of girls today feel that they are not pretty enough. The increase in body dissatisfaction has led to a rise in anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. Boop, boop.